If you're considering Zoek marketing, there are a few things you need to know before making your decision. In this video, I'll cover 7 key factors that can make or break your experience with this software, so make sure to stick around till the end if you want to fully understand what Zoek marketing offers and how it compares to other tools on the market. Now, before we dive in, I should mention that you can actually try Zoek marketing for free. Just click the first link in the description below to get access. That way you can explore its features firsthand and see if it's the right fit for your business needs. Let's jump straight into it. The first thing you need to know is that Zoek marketing is all about automation. It streamlines tasks like ad management, SEO, and analytics, which makes it a great choice for businesses that want to focus on strategy instead of getting bogged down in the day-to-day. Compared to other marketing platforms like HubSpot or SEMrush, Zoek offers a more specialized approach, targeting automation at every level. This means that if you're looking to scale your business, this tool could be a serious time saver. Next thing to consider is its user interface. Zoek marketing is designed to be user-friendly, even for beginners. While platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Business Manager can overwhelm new users with their complexity, Zoek has a simpler, more intuitive interface. That said, there is still a bit of a learning curve, so be prepared to invest some time getting familiar with its tools and dashboards. But once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate how streamlined everything is. The third thing you should know is the quality of its data insights. One of Zoek's standout features is its ability to give you real-time insights into how your campaigns are performing across multiple channels. Unlike many competitors that require you to integrate several third-party tools to get an accurate picture of your marketing performance, Zoek consolidates everything into one central location. This gives you a clear view of ROI and allows you to make data-driven decisions much more efficiently. Next thing to know is its pricing structure. Zoek marketing has a flexible pricing model, offering different tiers depending on the features and scale you need. It's relatively affordable compared to tools like Marketo or Salesforce, especially if you're a small to mid-sized business. However, while the base plan offers great functionality, some advanced features are locked behind higher tier packages. So if you're just starting out, the lower tier might be all you need. But if you're aiming for more robust capabilities, you'll need to consider upgrading. The fifth thing is customer support. Zoek marketing stands out with its high-quality support system, offering 24/7 help through multiple channels. Whether you prefer live chat, email, or phone support, you can expect quick responses from their team. This sets it apart from competitors like Moz or SEMrush, where you often have to wait a lot longer for assistance. So, if support is something that matters to you, Zoek definitely scores higher than some of the more popular tools on the market. The sixth thing you should consider is its integration with other tools. Zoek marketing integrates seamlessly with popular platforms like Google Ads, Google Analytics, and even social media networks like Facebook and Instagram. This makes it a powerful all-in-one solution, particularly for businesses that rely heavily on these platforms. However, if you need integrations with less common tools, you might hit some limitations, as Zoek's list of integrations is not as extensive as some of its competitors. And lastly, let's talk about scalability. Zoek marketing can grow with your business, which is a huge advantage for businesses looking to scale quickly. Whether you're running a small operation or managing a large marketing team, Zoek provides features that can be tailored to your needs. Unlike simpler tools that might lack the advanced functionalities needed for larger campaigns, Zoek allows you to scale up your campaigns without constantly jumping to new platforms. So, if you want to try out Zoek marketing for yourself and see if it's the right fit for your business, just click the first link in the description below. You'll get access to an exclusive free trial so you can test out its features with no risk involved. Make sure to check out that link and start exploring Zoek marketing today.